Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm CryptoDate and today we will be taking you through a quick tutorial on how to set up your Kusama account and wallet. Kusama is a permissionless network where anyone can come along and start using it. As a Kusama holder, you are able to interact with all the features of the Kusama network such as staking, governance, parachain options, basic transfers, and everything else. But in order to interact with these features, you need to have a Kusama account. So let's get straight to know how can you set up your Kusama account. In order to set up your Kusama account, open your web browser and go to kusama.network. Click on Docs in the upper right section. Search for using polka.ui by simply typing it in the search bar and select the option where it says Create a Kusama account using polka.ui. Click on the polka.ui hyperlink shown in pink and let the Explorer load. Check the top left corner for the network. If you see Polkadot, then change it to Kusama. For that, simply click on it and select Kusama from the drop-down menu list. You can either select hosted by Parity or Web3 Foundation. It will not make any difference. Once you do that, you will see the switch button at the top will turn pink, enabling you to switch the network. Click on that and let the Explorer load. Now, you have your network set as Kusama and you are ready to set up your Kusama account. Select Accounts and you will see My Account section in front of you. Click on Add Account. You can give your account a name if you like. We will use account setup tutorial for this one. You can also change your account name anytime if you want later as well. The next step is to copy and save your seed. This is a very important step. So please make sure you keep this in a safe place. With access to the seed, you can recreate your account. Select a strong password for proper account protection and retype it in the next tab. The further options are for advanced creations. Just make sure that your key pair crypto type is set as the recommended one. Click on Save at the bottom right corner. You will get an important notice prompt. Read it carefully and then click on Create and Backup Account. Your account is now set up. And you will also see a backup for your account, which will be downloaded at the same time automatically. Make sure to keep it safe, as you can use that to restore your account later anytime. Now that your account is all set, you will be able to interact with all the features of the Kusama network, such as staking, basic transfers, and everything else. If for any reason you are not comfortable using the web browser wallet we just set up, you can also try out other wallet options available. Simply go back to polka.wiki and search for Polka wallets. Select the first option that says Polka.wallets. Scroll down and you will see the list of supported wallets. Signer, Polka.js, is the one on which we just set up an account. Polka.js plugin, Polka wallet for iOS and Android, Math wallet, Looney, and so on. It is recommended to set up your account on the wallet which has a live development state. Now let's go back to our wallet and make a quick deposit in it. Click on your account name. Remember, your Kusama account address will always start with an alphabet. select and copy your address as shown and use this address to make a deposit or start receiving Kusama from your friends. For this tutorial, we will quickly send our address to one of our friends through an email. And there you go. You can see on the screen we have received 0.1 Kusama on this address. So guys, this was a tutorial on how to set up your Kusama account and wallet. You will find all the links in the description below. We hope this was helpful and you guys liked it. Subscribe to our channel, as in our next video, we will be taking you through a quick tutorial on how to deposit and withdraw from your Kusama account. Till then, stay active and logical. We will see you in the next one.